Again, you bend your leg. Interlock your finger, keep behind your head. Now lift your head easily. Lift it very easily. Now what are the muscles they participate in this exercise? Can anybody judge and tell me? Stomach, leg, shoulder, arms. Now main we are concerned with muscles are here, right? These muscles also they get little pull. These are known as a pelvic region. When this region is activated, this will help you to control urine. See, when the patient becomes 65, 70, 80, there is no control on urine, right? Some people they laugh or they cry, then they pass urine. There is no control urine. The muscles become weak. This is the exercise to make it right. Sometimes we walk on such a beautiful road. Anybody here from BMC? No, nobody here from BMC. We are so lucky that our BMC has given us a very beautiful gift. Such a beautiful road, right? So all orthopedic people might have some understanding with these people, huh? So now here, to avoid all these issues, this is a very good exercise which will help improve your pelvic region. This area known as a pelvic region, right? And once this is improved, your movement will improve. Okay. Now we'll go to next exercise. Now you notice your breathing. Now you coordinate your breathing with the movement, right? Coordinate with the movement. Now wait. Now what is your first movement? Lift your feet, right? Coordinate with movement, your breathe. Okay. Now in and exhale, inhale and exhale. Now take your hand, make an interlock, go to the back. Right? Slowly do it 3 times. Now once you raise your head, you have to complete one cycle of breathing. Inhale and exhalation both. One cycle. Complete one cycle. Now go down and complete one cycle. Okay, enough. Now will you please kindly stand? Stand up and do one sit up. What a punishment. Slowly. What is the difference? Sure? Okay, thank you. I think we should give a little rest to him. We'll have one more. Sure? Anybody would like to help me? Anybody else? Or we'll continue with Om Bhai?
The supreme word.
You have any excuse, sir? Nothing. You want to continue? Sure? Are you comfortable? See, we could appreciate the sacrifice. Okay. Come on, again lie down. Now here we have experienced both breathing in and breathing out while lifting up the head, right? So we will not repeat, we will go little away.
Better when we are breathing out, when you are lifting out,
more powerful. Now this is very good for hip joints, lower backache, stiff neck, and all treatment for pelvic region. Now see the contact between your back and your neck. Is it reduced?
Yeah.
How much is reduced?
1%.
Right. Now see, what does it mean? When the contact between the floor and the body is reduced, it means that now your body alignment has been done. Right? And this alignment will help you to improve your posture, your backache, lower backache, and all these issues. Even this is a good exercise to control constipation also. Okay? Any question? Any question? Okay, thank you. When there is no question, then there are two things. ऊपर से जा रहा है या तो सबको नींद आ रहा है. Thank you, sir. Shall we continue? Shall we continue? Yes. There are more exercises, but we would invite some other volunteers. Nobody, no other volunteer would like to come and help us. कुछ लेके आओ ना दो तीन वॉलंटियर को. Bending. My God, alone? You were invited all of us. Okay. Other your food will bend. Okay. Then we have no other way to continue with home by. आपने खाना खाया कि नहीं? खाना भी खाया और खाना भी खाया. चलें. Now here he has to lie down on your front, arms on the floor. Now this exercise what we are going to do now will help you tremendously to control your entire body balance. Right? Yeah, you have to turn. Your arms on the floor. Turn your neck. Right, okay. Now are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Right? Now keep your hand below your forehead, one upon other. One upon other. Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Now you adjust the position of your arms and head the way you feel comfortable. Okay? Comfortable?
Yeah.
Now look up forward to the ceiling and lift your head off your hand. Look. Raise your hand. Look up to the ceiling. ऊपर ऊपर देखो ऊपर ceiling को. Let your hand remain there. Look.
Only head.
Only head. And now look down. Look down. Nichu, nichu.
Yeah.
No, only the neck.
Full neck.
Full neck. Go up to your chest. Move your eyes also along with your movement. Do it again. Now do this exercise in the range which range you feel comfortable. Right? Do it again. Now most of us we are not comfortable with this movement because we never do this. So always do this movement. This will help you again for your entire spine movement. Because see, okay, Ombai, come up.
All back. Your back.
Come on, do it again. Now see, what are the muscles moving again? Can anybody tell? Abdomen, right? And the back, all back. So this is good for covering entire back and spine problem. Okay? Thank you, Ombai. Now you can come as much as backward you can, please. जितना भी बैक आके कुछ ना जाओ बैक के ऊपर. Now here, thank you. When you raise your head, your muscles on the spine they get contracted and they get released again. So this improves your blood circulation in your spine. So when you feel that you are too much tired, when your spine is tired, when you walk too much, when you travel where you receive a lot of jerk, then this exercise will improve your muscular spasm. This will help you to control muscular spasm. Right? And make your muscle strength in your back. Now once you work in this area, thank you. Now see, this area is a pelvic region. When this area is okay, then your spine becomes automatically okay. Thank you, Mumbai. Come, take your chair now. Thank you, sir. Now this is good exercise to control pain in pelvic region and your leg pain also. When you have a lot of pain starting from here to down, then this exercise will help you. ये कभी से चालू कर दिया? Now this also again you can synchronize your breathing movement, up and down, whatever way you feel comfortable. Now we'll go to one more exercise. You can do the same exercise with opposite breathing. Right? Breathe in and breathe out. Do it in a reverse position also, and you understand how much you get relaxation on your spine. Spine.